Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to crochet this lovely water bottle. The pink, the one with the pink. The reason I chose that one because I like the style, I like the texture of that crochet stitch. It's 2 crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, and it goes on around and around. Okay, so I am going to be using the yarn that I have showed, what I have purchased. It is called Alize Cotton Gold, and it's blend of cotton, and it feels like velvet, and it's super soft. That's all I can say. And it has, oh, where are you? It's 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. Okay, the crochet hook that I'm going to be using is 2.20 millimeter crochet hook. It's one of my tulip crochet hooks. Okay, so I'm just going to pull the yarn from inside, and then we're going to start. I taped, but I don't know what happened. My tape got deleted for some reason, so this is how we're going to start the bottom, and then we're going to go around and around and then start this. When I came back to tape, my tape was missing, so I'm going to redo this, and hopefully this time it won't be lost. Okay, so I'm going to pull up the end, and then I'm going to chain, total of 5 chain, and do a slip stitch, and then join and do my double crochets. Okay, I'll be right back as soon as I pull the yarn from the other end. Okay, so I'm going to chain 5. You can do a magic loop if you want, but I'm just going to chain this time 3, 4, 5, and then make a slip stitch just like this, and then chain 3. Okay, here just gonna make double crochets, 16 I believe. 16 would do the trick. So I'm just gonna, and I'm gonna count that 3 chain as one as the double crochet as well. And I'm gonna come back and I'll show you how to join. Okay, so this is the 16, and I'm just going to make a slip stitch right on top of that, and then chain 3, and then I'm going to be crocheting double crochet double times in each, because this is the row that we have to expand. And I'll meet you when I finish my double crochets on each chain. Okay, again I'm at the last row, and I'm just going to do a slip stitch just like this. Okay, so on the following row, what I'm going to do is again chain 3 to go up, and I'm going to make 1, and then make double on the next chain, 2 double crochets, and then on the following I'm going to make 1. So I'm going to keep on doing this, double, 1 on the next one. So what we're doing is we're making 2 double crochets in 1 chain, 1 double crochet in 1 chain, 2 double crochet in 1 chain, and then continue on all the way around, and I'll meet you to join. and we will start doing, we will finish this part, and then we will start putting the pattern, the stitch that shows off the bottle holder. Okay, so I'm at the last, and I'm just gonna join with a slip stitch, just like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be chaining 2, to creating this lovely stitch. So what I'm going to do is chain 2, and then I'm going to be skipping 1, and on the second I'm going to make a double crochet, and then on the next chain I'm going to make another double crochet. Because of eating too much blueberries, these 2 nails are getting dark. They died. So I do apologize for that. Oh, it's really hard to get rid of the dye, natural dyes. Okay, so I'm skipping 1, and on the second I chain my 2, and I'm doing my single crochet, and then I'm going to chain my 2 again, and then I'm going to make a double crochet, but I'm going to skip 1, and on the second going to make a double crochet, and next I'm going to make another double crochet. Okay, so this is how I'm creating this stitch. So chain 2, skip 1, make a single crochet. So I'll meet you at how to join. Okay, so I did my 2 double crochets and I did my 2 chain, but I'm going to be jumping here to make a double crochet because we're starting the 3rd row. So instead of doing 2, I'm going to do 4 chain and then make double crochet on each double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. So I'll meet you at the end. This is all we're doing, chaining 4, and then I'll show you to join. Okay, so I did my 4 chain, I did my double crochet, and I am back where we started. Remember, we started here. So I'm going to chain 2 and then make a single crochet here. Chain 2, so I'm repeating. So 1 row I'm repeating. So total 2 rows. What's what we're repeating to create the stitch. So 2 chain just like this. And when you put your bottle, put your bottle in. And this is how your bottle will look like when you put it on. So I'm going to continue crocheting a couple of rows and I will show you how it will look like. Okay, so I have crocheted a couple of rows and this is how it looks like. Doesn't this look cute? And here's the bottom. Fits perfectly because I crocheted it while I put it on, right? So I'm just going to crochet a couple of more rows and I will be finishing it. And then I will show you how to do the handles. The handle. Well, there's going to be 1 handle. And so I'm thinking of crocheting it up to here. So I need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe maybe 4. Yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. So I'll see you back. Okay, so I have crocheted it. Doesn't this look lovely? Now I'm going to show you a trick how to make a very strong handle. To do that, we need 2 crochet hooks. This is the trick. I wish I had the same size, but unfortunately I only have different, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I am going to join picking up 4 stitches. So I'll show you. This is the trick. I'm going to crochet an I-cord handle. That's my trick. Okay, so I'll just show you. So I'm going to grab a stitch from here. Oops, just one moment. I got the wrong crochet hook. So I need to pull this water bottle out. Okay, so one, so I have 2 now, 3, and then 4. I want it a little bit because it's glass and it gets heavy. So the trick is, or you can use straight knitting needles, 2-pointed, double pointed, that can work too. Okay, so I'm going to slide, and this is how I'm going to do this trick. I know this is a little bit bigger than the other one, but I'm sure I can manage it. So, I'm going to crochet just like this, and then crochet this, then crochet this, and crochet this, and then I'm going to slide, and then crochet this. Just like this, and then the more you crochet, the I-cord will become. So I will let you go and crochet. See, it's already becoming. Okay, I'll do one more. Just like this. Crochet. Ta-da! And then when you pull it, and this is how it becomes. So continue crocheting as long as you want, and I will meet you how to join the other side. Okay, so I have crocheted. I know it's taking a time, so I thought to myself, let me just cut it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it longer, of course, but for now, just for showing, I will attach it and show how it's done. I think this is pretty good I-cord handle. Yeah, just wanted something strong. Even if it stretches, it will hold. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my thingy here. Pull this down. Okay, it's very easy. So this is where we started. So I'm just trying to figure out. So I'm gonna attach it here. This is where we started, just like this. So I don't have minutes left. Okay, sorry about that. I have 1 minute left and I'm just trying to figure it out how to attach this. And I am going to attach it like this. So I am going to turn my work. And then I have 4 stitches. So I am going to go like this. So 1, 2, just like this. And I will go like this to make it stronger. And even grab this and attach it this way. Just play around with it so you can have it strong. Sorry about that. I am redoing what I have done. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, I am going to pick 1 stitch at a time. So this is 1 stitch. I need to secure this, so I need a crochet hook. And I'll just grab the one that was here. So I'll just put this here so this will hold. I just need to grab a total of 4 stitches. Just like this. It's like doing Tunisian. And the last. Okay. So I will crochet these together. These together. And this together. Okay. Ta-da! And then you cut this and you weave it in. And it gives you that strong, stable. Okay, so this is how you attach your handle. So I hope you liked this short tutorial that I just wanted to share it for a long time on how to crochet a bottle holder with a strong handle. Well, thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!